Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crypto, COM to Onchain. It's important to understand that crypto, COM operates as a centralized exchange. This means you cannot directly connect it to a decentralized on-chain network. The only way to interact with on-chain protocols using your crypto COM assets is by first withdrawing them to a self-custody wallet. This process ensures you maintain full control over your digital assets before engaging with decentralized applications. Once you've chosen your preferred self-custody wallet, the next step is initiating a withdrawal from crypto. COM. Navigate to the withdrawal section within the app and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to move. Carefully input your external wallet address, double-checking every character to prevent loss of funds. Always confirm the correct network for your transaction, such as ERC20 for Ethereum or BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain, and then specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're at home or on the go. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more videos like this. Now let's get back to the video. With your cryptocurrency now safely in your self-custody wallet, you are ready to engage with the on-chain world. This wallet acts as your gateway to decentralized finance, NFT, and countless other blockchain applications. Simply connect your wallet to the decentralized application you wish to use. You can then participate in staking, yield farming, trading on decentralized exchanges, or exploring the vast universe of Web3. Remember, you are now in full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.